Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing how to make pretend snow for hours of sensory play this winter with your little one. If you think you're interested in this and similar videos, consider hitting the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos. To start, you will need one large bowl that is clean and dry. This is where you will place all of your ingredients to create your snow. For this recipe, you're going to need only 2 ingredients that are both fairly cheap. You'll need a white hair conditioner and pure baking soda. Measure and pour 2½ cups of the baking soda into the bowl. Add ½ cup of the hair conditioner to the baking soda and stir until it is thoroughly combined together. Once the 2 ingredients are completely combined, you should have a consistency that looks something like this. Consider following me over on Instagram. That is where I post lots of our day-to-day homeschooling activities, and I am constantly posting in my stories, so you can keep up with me best on Instagram. Also, if you enjoyed this post and you think you'll enjoy similar content, remember to check out my blog, thepurposefulnest.com. It is linked down below. You can always stop by there to check the latest posts. Thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel.